running out of space here. Wonder what I should do about it. It is end of October. We're getting our first snow, if you can see it here. And today, new project car showed up. I picked up a 1996 Nissan S14 as a new drift car project for me to have. The Miata, which is tucked way back there, is not really the greatest drift car, and it's a really good track car, so I figured maybe have both. Follow me along my journey. See what we can do to take this shell of an S14 and turn it into a purpose-built drift car.